For the last decade, robotics has been mostly a joke. Cool demos, viral clips, zero real-world impact. And that's why almost everyone is missing what's happening with Figure AI, because this isn't a robotics company trying to look futuristic. It's the first one quietly built for reality. We've been promised humanoid robots for years, but every generation runs into the same wall. Robots are either too specialized to matter or too fragile to scale. They work in labs, they break in factories, and they collapse in the real world. That's why robotics never became a serious economic category. Until now. Figure AI is building a general-purpose humanoid robot designed to do real labor. Not one task, not one environment, not one demo. The goal is a robot that can walk into a warehouse, factory, or the logistics center and just work. Picking, moving, assembling, operating tools, and most importantly, learning. Figure AI was founded by Brett Adcock. If that name sounds familiar, it should. He previously founded Vettery, then sold it, and then Archer Aviation, one of the most ambitious electric aircraft startups ever. Adcock has a pattern. He goes after problems that look insane, until they suddenly don't. And when he started Figure, he didn't pitch hype. He pitched inevitability. Most robotics companies start with hardware. Figure started with the assumption that hardware doesn't matter without intelligence. That's why their approach is different. Figure isn't just a robotics company. It's an AI-first labor company. The robot is the interface. The intelligence is the product. Figure isn't doing this alone. The company is backed by Microsoft, Nvidia, OpenAI, and Amazon's Jeff Bezos. Not because it's small, but because it solves a problem none of them can solve alone. OpenAI provides the reasoning layer. Nvidia provides the compute and simulation. Microsoft provides enterprise integration. And Figure provides the body. This is the first time the AI stack has a physical endpoint. In 2024, Figure signed a deal with BMW. Not a pilot, not a PR stunt. A real deployment. Their robots were placed inside an actual BMW factory, performing logistics tasks. This matters more than any demo video. Factories don't tolerate experiments. They tolerate productivity. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The world is running out of labor. Aging populations, declining birth rates, jobs no one wants to do. Robots don't need lunch breaks. They don't quit. They don't unionize. And they can work 24/7. If Figure succeeds even partially, it doesn't replace workers. It replaces labor shortages. Figure isn't trying to be cute. It's not building a companion robot. It's not chasing virality. It's doing the boring, brutal work of making robots useful. That's why progress looks slow, and that's why it matters. Artificial intelligence didn't change the world because of chatbots. It changed the world when it entered workflows. Figure AI is trying to do the same thing, but for physical work. If software ate the world, robots are what digest it. So no, Figure AI isn't guaranteed to succeed, but it's aiming at the right problem with the right tools at the right moment. That's why it matters. Not because it's flashy, but because it's the first robotics company built for how the world actually works. And that's what makes Figure AI different.